Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on allowing new apps to be installed from anywhere on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default on Windows 11, it only lets you install apps from the Microsoft Store. Here is how to change it so you can install apps from anywhere. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Apps from the left sidebar. Now select Advanced App Settings. The first option here is Choose where to get apps. Click the drop-down box beside it and change it to anywhere. You will now be able to install third-party apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.